Yo, what's good? Superstar here, back with another video. However, for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do the emo makeup look, so let's get started. Woo! Starting with eyeshadow. The color that we'll be using is the purple color since it's the darkest. Now that I'm done with this eye, I'll be doing the other eye. Alright, now that I'm done with eyeshadow, I'll be moving on to the eyeliner. The color that I'm obviously using is black. Make sure to add a little bit like right here. Alright, now that I'm done, time to add on some lashes. Hopefully it doesn't get in my eyes.
Oh my god.
Now time to put on the other one. Now that I am done putting on the lashes, I'll be putting on some blush. The color that I'll be choosing is this one right here. Alright, time to put it on the other side. Alrighty, you guys, so now that I'm done with that, I'll be doing the final step, which is some light pink lip gloss. Now, the main reason why I choose this color is because I don't have any black lip gloss. So, if you want to go for the black, go right ahead. And for those of you that don't have it, I recommend this one for the look. Now that I'm done, let's take off my hair, and this is the final result.
Wow.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys. If any of you guys want to learn how to do the emo look, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe and share it to a friend. At least 5 of them. Emo girl, peace.